guys, welcome to my vlog. And to all my new subscribers, hi guys, welcome home. And to my regulars, hi besties, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, I know I've been gone for quite some time and I haven't been recording or even have given you guys a vlog in the previous week, but it's all because we had a funeral at home and I really wasn't in the spirit of vlogging and all that. So now I just thought, so I thought I should just take this time to rest. And obviously I was kind of occupied with work. I had some work training for like 3 days, but this time I am back and I am better. So today it's a Saturday morning and it's the 4th of March and it's 7 o'clock because now I'm about to bath and I need to go get my lashes done, and I'm most definitely taking you guys with. And after that I'm just gonna chill because I'm on a day off. Well, not really day off, but I have a makeup client later on, and yo, just gonna spend the day Netflixing and chilling as I prepare for work tomorrow. And I don't know when our next entry will be, but nonetheless I'll keep vlogging through the course of the week, and we should have this vlog out by Sunday next week, if not Friday. But yeah guys, I love you loads. Okay, let's get right into this video, guys. Okay, so guys, I just finished bathing and I am about to leave the house to get my lashes done. I'm running an hour late, but this is our team's son. So yeah, I'm about to leave the house now, but before I leave the house, let me do some drip check. One thing about my skin, it will skin shower. But yeah guys, let me get going. Do you know? So this is what I am wearing, guys. I am wearing my shirt from H&M, my camouflage pants, and my Mr. Price pink slides. So if possible, I will take a video later on showing exactly what I'm wearing, but right now let me get going. Guys, today is a Thursday and it's right about 11 o'clock. I just finished bathing, and as you have seen earlier on, I woke up, did my bed, brushed my teeth, and I want to make breakfast. So now I am done bathing and I am just waiting for my mom to finish ironing, because as you would have seen before this, I would have put a dress on the bed that I was supposed to wear, but it's quite big, so now it doesn't look really nice. So my two-piece outfit, and I'm gonna show you guys. So long, I'm just gonna wait for her to finish ironing so that I can get dressed and get going. My boyfriend is literally 5 minutes away and I need to get done, and then we start with the day. So yeah guys, that's just about it. I haven't been vlogging throughout the course of the week, reason being I didn't have anything interesting to vlog. Let me see where I can put you guys. Yeah, I didn't have anything interesting to vlog, but I think I'm just gonna make this a spend a day with me, and yeah, we'll see how it unfolds. Hopefully it comes out nice and we all gonna enjoy the vlog. So yeah, let me get dressed. So love, the scent of the day, I'm gonna be using this Love Your Bell fragrance. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can camera, so it has to focus, unfortunately. Okay, so I have mentioned guys that I thought I was gonna vlog throughout the course of the week, but I didn't do anything interesting that was vlog worthy. But I think I'm just gonna turn this into a spend a day with me. And yeah, although I don't have anything really interesting to do, but I'm gonna make this vlog work, guys. Khalik is supposed to do anything at all, so I might as well have something. And as I have said, the dress that I wanted to wear got burnt. This is what I am wearing now. I am wearing this two-piece from Small Street, and I'm gonna pair it with my sandals. Let me show you my sandals from the Fix.
nothing too complicated for today, because I'm not actually doing anything interesting. We're just gonna chill, and after that we are attending Minentle's parents meeting, my first parents meeting ever. So yeah guys, that's just about it for today. Give vlogger in a rush because now KAALE is literally outside, so I have to be super quick. I'm just gonna show you guys my full outfit for today, and I should get going. So yeah guys, here's my full outfit. As you can see, nothing fancy, nothing too complicated. It's just my two-piece, which is the short and the shirt. I am wearing my KAALE wig, my shades from Mr. Price, and my slides from the Fix. And yeah, Jenny and Jaela, my Shein bag. So yeah guys, I should get going now. KAALE is really getting impatient. See you as the vlog progresses. Bye.
I ain't good for you, girl, I'm bad for you. I know you deserve better, but I can't let you go. Maybe it's you, I'm toxic. I disappear on you. Like I don't care about you, but I be doing the most when I don't hear from you. Maybe it's true, maybe I'm toxic. You say lately you can't say what's on your mind, 'cause you know it's gonna end up in a fight. See, I never think I'm wrong, I'm always right, yeah. See, I'm starting to remind you of your ex. See, I never put my calls up in my text. That torment, I'm mad, yeah. Girl, I want all of you. Baby, give me all of you. But it ain't fair, I'm only giving you half. Baby, say I don't want nobody. Want nobody touching you. Don't wanna see you happy if it's not with me. Maybe it's true, maybe I'm toxic. I ain't good for you, but I'm bad for you. I know you deserve better, but I can't let you go. Maybe it's true, maybe I'm toxic. I disappear on you. Like I don't care about you, but I be doing the most when I don't hear from you. Maybe it's true, maybe I don't need nobody, you don't need them. If I got you, you say I'm a different person on the weekend. That's not true. You say if I talk to you, then I'm the reason. Girl, just leave it, move on. He's only gonna do you wrong. Girl, I want all of you. Baby, give me all of you. But it ain't fair, I'm only giving you half. Baby, say I don't want nobody. Want nobody touching you. Don't wanna see you happy if it's not with me. Baby, it's true, maybe I'm toxic. I ain't good for you, girl, I'm bad for you. I know you deserve better, but I can't let you go. Baby, it's true, baby.
So guys, I just arrived at my boyfriend's place, as you would have seen. Just came back from Nokim Corner and we went to get food. What else? Gigrele Minentle's juice for Crash. And yeah, I got myself some yogurt from Woolies, and that was just it. So now we're about to make food and we're just gonna Netflix and chill until it's time for Minentle's parents meeting. So I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog after today, because I don't think I'm gonna include the parents meeting part. But yeah, this, if I don't have a chance to speak again, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for being part of the family, and to all those that are just watching and not subscribing, please do consider subscribing. But nonetheless, thank you so much for joining my YouTube channel, and love you loads. Kesana.